Okay, students. Now here we are again at complex number. In previous class, what we have studied? We have studied about the concept of complex number. What is a complex number? What is iota? Okay. How it can be added? What is the real part? What is the imaginary part? Now we are going to talk about what? Power, integral power of I. What? Integral power of I. What does it mean? We just want to know about I. So suppose what we are saying, I is what? Root under of minus 1 is I. Okay? If b square, this one, I square, then this is what? Minus 1 root under minus 1 square, that is what? Minus 1. Okay? Then IQ is what? That is I square into I. IQ, I square into I. And we know that I is equal to what? Minus 1 into I. That is minus 1. Okay? Then I4. See, what we are taking? I equal to root under minus 1. I square, I cube, I4. I4 is what? That is I square into I square. I square is what? Minus 1 into minus 1. That is 1. Okay? Serial देखते हैं. I square, I cube, I4. Let us talk also about I5. I5 can be written as I4 into I. And we know that I4 equal to 1. 1 into I, that is I. I6, that is I4 into I square, that is I4 is 1 and I square is minus 1, that is minus 1. Okay? Then if we write down like this, I to the power 4, that is what? I to the power 4 to the power n, or I to the power 4 is equal to 1. Then 1 to the power n is equal to 1. Okay? Then if we say I to the power 4n plus 1, then this can be written as I4n into I. I4n equal to 1. Then this is I. Okay? तो इस तरह से हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग I का वैल्यू रूट अंडर माइनस 1, I स्क्वायर माइनस 1, I क्यूब माइनस I 4 1, I 5 I 6 minus 1. Then portion related with 4. Suppose we take I8, that means what? I4 into I. That is 1 into 1, that means 1. I12, that is I4 to the power q, that is 1 to the power q, that means 1. So what we say? See, we just observe that I4 equal to I to the power 8 equal to I to the power 12 equal to I to the power 16 like this. Okay? Similarly, we had seen I6. Then let us take I to the power 10. Then this can be written as I8 into I square. I8 is what? That is 1. And I square is minus 1. Then this becomes minus 1. Let us take I14. I14 is what? I to the power 12 into I square. That is what? I to the power 12 is 1. And I square is minus 1. That is minus 1. Then what we observe? be observe that I to the power 6, I to the power 10, I to the power 14 like this is equal to what? That is minus 1 and it can be found out. तो आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि 4 का जो भी मल्टीप्लायर है 4, 8, 12, 16 वो कितना आता है 1 और 4 plus 2 और here you can say I square also. Here let us see I square equal to I minus 1. Then I square, I6, I10, I14 everyone is equal to minus 1. Then what is the use of these things? We will use these things in solving the numericals. Okay? क्या करेंगे कि सपोज हमको टर्म आ गया कितना I to the power 8. We will just write I to the power 8 equal to 1. Suppose we get I10, then I10 equal to minus 1. We will use these things. Okay? Are you getting? Then now we try to get the value of minus quantity. A square. Here we are going to talk about a square root. A square root of a negative real number. About what? A square root of a negative real number. Okay? What is this? Suppose we say root under minus 1, that is what? I. Okay? As per definition, हम लोग का definition ये है कि root under minus 1 equal to 1. That is iota. Then let us say minus root 2. Then this is what? We are writing this minus 1 into 2. And here minus 1 will be written as I square into 2. And square root of I square is I. That is I root. Okay? I root 2 minus root under minus 1 का value I. Root under minus 2 का value I root 2. Let us take the value of root minus 3. Again minus 1 into 3 root under. Then again minus 1 is equal to I square. And this one is 3. Then this is what? I root 3. Okay. What actually I am explaining? These things will be used in when we will start to solve the numerical problems. We will use these things. है ना? जैसे आप ये है क्या बताएं कि हमको I8 आएगा, I12 आएगा, I16 आएगा, ये सब आएगा तो उसको हम simply as we know we will write 1. When we will get like this I square, I6, I10, I14, so we will write minus 1. Similarly, when we will get minus root 1, that is I, obviously by definition, then root under minus 2 equal to I root 2. We can write simply. जब आपको हम बता देंगे तभी ना लिख के पाइएगा. आपको डायरेक्ट कहते हैं न्यूमेरिकल के में माइनस रूट 2 इक्वल टू कितना होता है I root 2. Then you will obviously ask, sir why? कैसे होगी? Sir how? It can be. Then I am explaining at first. Then when we will start to solve the question, we will use these small things in that case. Okay? Then let us see here minus 4, root under minus 4. Again, this is what? This is minus 1 into 4. Here minus 1 is what? I square. And this is 4. Then the square root of this I into 2. That is what? 2I. Okay? Like this. But here suppose we are concerned with what? We are concerned with multiplying minus 2 root under minus 2 into root under minus 3. Okay? Suppose we are interested in multiplying these three. Okay? Then what will be the value of this? Let us see. we are going to write this -2 here. -2 is what? We can take the direct value. Root under -2 is equal to what? I √2 है ना. यहाँ से वैल्यू ले लिए, डायरेक्ट लिख दिए. ओके, अब यहाँ से वैल्यू ले लिए -√3, that is I root. Okay, then this is what? I into I square, and this is what? √2 into √3, that is I square is what? -1, and this is now 6, that is -6. Okay, we cannot write -2 root under into root under -3 is equal to root under 6. We cannot write like this. कुछ लोग ये कर सकते हैं, but understand this point. Square root of -2 into the square root of -3 can never be equal to 6. Okay? Why? There is a fact where root A and root B. Okay, root A will into root B will be root AB only when A or B, any of them, one of them or two, one of these, one of A or B is non-negative, or you can say positive. क्या है कि जब तक इसमें से रूट बी इक्वल टू रूट अंडर ए बी होता है. ओके, रूट अंडर ए इंटू रूट अंडर बी इज इक्वल टू रूट ए बी इज ओनली करेक्ट व्हेन एनी वन ऑफ देम ए एंड बी इज नॉन नेगेटिव. अगर ये दोनों माइनस होगा, ए भी माइनस और बी भी माइनस, तो दोनों का रूट अंडर -a रूट अंडर -b will never be equal to root under AB. Okay, mind ये आप देखिएगा. So that is the thing. Root under -2 into root under -3 is equal to -6, not root under 6. Okay, this is here. This is root 6. Okay. है ना. रूट ए रूट बी में कोई एक पॉजिटिव होगा तभी ये आपका रूट ए बी हो सकता है, अदरवाइज इट विल बी माइनस. ओके.